ụmụnne m ọjọọ abịa n'o anyị aga ọjịnụ maka na ihe ọma mere n'ezinụlọ a Chukwu okike abịa ma anyị ekene gị maka na ihe ọma mere n'ezinụlọ a i wee weta agadaga nwoke nke i nyere anyị n'ezinụlọ a ikolobịa dịka mụ kamgbe 11 i wee nye anyị nwa n'ezinụlọ a anyị na-asị ka ekene dịrị gị anyị wee na-ayọkwa ka inye ezinụlọ a ihe anyị eji wee zụ nwa ka a zụchaa nwa wee zụọ ndị mụrụ ya otu a ka anyị kpere n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma otu a unu agaghị etu m aha aka ekpuchi ọnwa o ya ọjị gbakwa n'ịnọ ịfụ na ihe ọma mere n'ezinụlọ ngwa m were nke m ngwa ka ekwe onye atọchara ebe a ngwa na-ekwe mmanya wee kee ndị mmadụ
Cabo, canco de demais.
Ị na-agbanye waya ka olu nke a ga-arụkọ. Ọ ga-erute onye ọbụla. Ọ ga-adọkwara ndụ otu a. Ọ ga-erute onye ọbụla. Ị na-ewepụta aka ị na-amị na mmanya nwa chọrọ.
No.
Wire. Azọ. Ka m gbarakwuzie elu nke m. Asa anyị ṅụba nkwụ.
Ịgba ebe m nwa ụdị m. Ị na-adakwa iwu. Wala anụ. Ka m gbakwuo n'elu nke m. Ude wee chia.
Asị isi mkpi dị na akpa mkpi.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
See what the Lord has done for you.
We cannot tell it all. No.
What the Lord has done for you. You cannot tell it all. What the Lord has done for you. Feel. You cannot tell it all. He has blessed you. He has blessed you with his gift. Look at your baby. Your baby is so fine. Check out. Wow. Oh my God. Congratulations, my darling.
Thank you. Thank you, Kelly.
After 11 years.
Yes, my sister.
This is huge. This is a miracle.
God did it. And he did it in his own time.
Yes, you can say that again.
Kelly, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay. How is everybody? How is your husband?
He's not back from work.
Okay. Oh, Rita, how are you? What's up?
Oh, sister, should I use all the stuff you should bought?
Use all of them.
Okay.
Please come and carry this stuff. I bought a bottle for you now. That's why you're on the go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you.
The Lord is good. 11 years. Like 11 solid years. Oh my God. So how is your mother?
That one. I heard that yesterday they had a mighty celebration in my compound.
Oh.
And my mother drank to stupor.
Are you serious?
Out of excitement.
It is a thing of joy after 11 years.
I know.
11 solid years.
My sister.
Ha! It's a miracle, my dear.
God just did it. Guess the best part.
Okay.
I heard that my mother and mother-in-law are coming for Mugo.
Are you serious?
That's what I heard.
Collabo. This is serious.
Excitement won't finish all of us.
You wouldn't blame them now. They have waited for so long.
I know.
Let them come.
Yeah.
This will be so cute, please. God, give me mine. I tap.
You get it.
What's his name?
Brian.
Brian.
That's
How are
right.
you?
Yes, it is.
This is the miracle of the year. Shut down for the year.
Yes.
You are done for the year.
What do we offer you? Baby, come!
Anything. Oh,
Come and entertain her, please.
You're so cute.
Babe, listen, I am of the opinion that they don't come together. They don't come at once because it doesn't make sense that they are both coming to take care of the child.
It makes sense to me.
How?
What do you mean, how?
Listen, I know you're the master planner. Alright, call either of them to stay back.
Oh, no, you do the calling. If you don't want them to come all at once, do the calling. Not me.
Okay, then I'll do the calling.
So...
Who are you gonna call?
Babe, I think you're in a better position to answer that question. Yeah, because you need to make a choice before tomorrow morning. My mother or your mother?
Oh, my mother. My mother. Definitely my mother.
Alright, then I'll just call my mother and ask her to stay back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get water to drink?
Sure.
Yes. Hey, Very big. I bought it 3,500.
I've not asked you how much you bought, but it's good.
Yes.
Honestly, it's quite good.
I bought it with Obono. I want to join it with other things.
Oh.
You know I'm traveling tomorrow.
I'm away, I know. Hi. This is good. This is really good. I want you to tell my in-law when you get there to name that baby Chukwu Kadibia.
Chukwu Kadibia pa.
Chukwu Kadibia Agwondoya. The meaning is that God is greater than any native doctor. God is the greatest in terms of healing, magic, anything. God is the greatest. So,
I don't like that name. Instead of Chukwu Kadibia, why not Chukwu Ebuka? Chukwu Ebuka.
I don't like Chukwu Ebuka. This one has meaning. Chukwu Kadibia has meaning.
Who is calling? Your husband.
Hey. Hello, my son. How are you? How is my newborn baby? I hope he is bouncing. Okay. Okay. Tell your mother she's the one that's supposed to stay back. Okay. Please call me as soon as possible. Let me know what I'm doing. Okay? Okay. I'm waiting.
Mama, did he say you should stay back?
No. He is suggesting that two of us cannot come once. That we should come one after the other.
Yes. Of a truth, I had thought about that before now. Because times are hard. It's supposed to be one thing at a time. Yes.
Papa, it is his own mother that will stay back. After all, it's not all husband's mother go for babysitting these days. So, Pico, you should just stay back.
You see, it is important, very, very important that we allow her go first. It is not possible, it won't be possible to ask her to stay back, particularly in this very one, after 11 good years. We're talking about 11 years. No. Yes. It won't be possible to ask her to stay back.
And that is exactly why Carol cannot stay back. If not because of me, she would have gone since.
Mama, stop bothering yourself over nothing. It is her son's decision, so let her deal with it. Pico, I want you to go there. Let her stay back. Yes.
How do you think it is going to be possible for us to put our two hands into our mouth? And actually, I can have a win on football. How are you going to cope? Both of you staying there or asking her to stay behind, to have the patience to wait until you stay, return before she goes. How possible could that be?
No, I don't know. Is his mother. Let him handle it.
But how possible would that be? It's not possible.
Nah, Caro is his mother. Let him handle it. Whatever they say, whatever decision he take, I'm good.
Mama, stop saying this. Let her stay back. You be the one to go there, and not her. Let her stay back. Oh.
Are you the one saying? You have a say? You don't have a say in the matter. You don't know.
Okay, wait, you just hold on. Is it that you do not have money to feed the two of us? So, why am I the one coming last? Understand what? No, tell me, what am I understanding? Are you preventing me from seeing my grandson that I've been waiting for the past 11 years? So what do you want me to understand? I'm okay. You don't have anything to say.
Mama, what's brother not talking about?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine the nonsense? That I should wait for his mother-in-law to come before I come?
Don't understand.
Useless, senseless man. Yes, that is how his wife begin to push him around. Directs him, does everything with him. Begin to press him, pimp like a dog baby. Can you imagine that?
Mama, are you going to stay back?
What sort of stupid questions that you have started? You have started asking stupid questions. Stay back. In my own son's house. In Abakwa Mamu.
Mama, that's what I'm trying to say. Mama Fido should be the one to stay back. Because this is your grandson we're talking about here.
Exactly. I don't blame her. You see that woman, I don't blame her. If not that, I've been waiting for her. She told me to wait for her. I would have been long gone. Yes, so I would have been in that city before now.
Dear Allah. All of them. Dear Allah and dear Allah. How are we even sure that she's not the one planning it? Mama? Don't you think so?
Yeah. You might be right too. Hey! Caro, when will you have sense? Eh? When?
She wants you to stay in the village so that you not come and enjoy it.
Oh, I say that's a lie.
Trust nobody, Mama. Yes! Trust nobody. I'm with you. I'm with your phone. Rubbish.
What time did she leave this house?
I didn't know the exact time. Like I told you earlier, it was in the morning. And I've told you where she said she was going to.
How sure are you that that place she told you is where she went to?
We are talking about your wife here. And the worst thing that can happen to any marriage is loss of trust.
I lost my trust in her a long time ago because of her attitude and her dressing.
Bro, I am your brother. You have to believe me. I cannot lie to you. The earlier you believe me, the better for you and your wife.
Where are you coming back from? Huh?
Is that how your husband is supposed to marry his wife?
Hey. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you stupid? Madness. And you left this house to an unknown destination. Since when I'm asking you, and you're telling me trash. Are you stupid, bro? Eh?
Didn't I tell you she wants to see Philomena? That's why.
Can you swear? Can you swear on her behalf that is the exact place she went to?
Where else did I go to? Where else did I go to? Eh?
Where did you go to?
You want to hit me like that? What have I done to you?
Where are you coming back from? I'm asking you something and you're telling me.
Stop.
I'll stand there.
Stop.
Are you stupid? What is wrong with this kid?
Stop.
What is wrong with this kid?
What is wrong with you?
Who do you think you are? Are you stupid? I'm talking and you're talking. You are going about visiting people that are giving birth and you are not even getting pregnant. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Huh? You think you can make me childless? You cannot even get pregnant.
Okay, don't worry.
What is even wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? Huh? You think you can make me childless? You cannot give birth? Huh? Are you barren?
No problem.
I'll handle you.
You're just so impossible. I'm sorry.
What have I done wrong? Where did I go wrong? How have I offended him? Am I God who gives children? Did he make me pregnant and I refuse to carry the child? Why is he treating me this way? Why? What have I done? Is it my fault? Is it my fault that we don't have a child? Is it my fault?
Stop crying.
Is your brother treating me this way? It's not fair. It's not fair.
Everything's going to be fine. Please stop crying. Please.
Every day, he beats me.
Okay. Welcome. Thank you. What about your mother? She left the city. She left this morning. She left this morning? Yes. Any problem? Nothing. But I thought she was preparing to go to the city with my mother. Well, I can't tell. All I know is that she left this morning. Okay. Bye-bye. Is that why she came here? I don't know, my mom. Hey. Mama, you won't believe what I'm about to tell you now.
What is it?
Mama, Barnabas' mother has gone to the city.
What?
Yes.
Did he told you?
Yes, she said she left this morning. Can you imagine that?
Oh my God. This woman is unbelievable. Let me call my daughter.
Okay.
Hey, keep it there. Hold it there.
Okay.
Where's my grandson?
He's upstairs, he's sleeping.
Philomena. Philomena, you came from that upstairs empty-handed, knowing very well that I am the one sitting down here. That I am the one that came from the village. You came down without my grandson. Okay?
He's sleeping. But if you please be patient, when he wakes, I'll bring it to you.
Mban, I cannot wait. Philomena, I cannot wait. Mban, I won't do it. I have waited for 11 solid years and you still want me to wait? No, I'm asking you. You still want me to wait? You still want me to wait? Mban, let's go. I want to see myself.
Mama, sit down. I will come and bring the baby for you.
Okay, so you know what to do. Also, I'm waiting.
Sister, Mama brought food stuff for us from the village.
Oh, Mama. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Nkegi. Yeah.
Baby. The baby.
Fast! Also.
Mama, what happened? You did not call my mother again.
What sort of stupid question is that? What kind of question is that? Am I your mother's keeper? I'm asking you. I don't have to come with your mother because I know my way to this place. You are still waiting. Also, fast. You said?
I said I'm sorry. I did not mean it.
Sorry for yourself. Whatever you meant there should stay with you. Don't open your mouth to ask me such questions again.
Oh, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
I'm not asking you. Sorry.
Is there no food in my son's house?
That's what I'm preparing. In no time, food will be ready.
Fly.
Sorry.
Philomena!
Mama!
You want me there? My legs are not going here. Let's wait for me. They are coming to meet me with them now. Let me come and meet you. I feel like, move forward. Come up here. You will not stop. I'm ready for you.
I've been searching for true love, and I'll keep on searching till I find. Searching for true love.
Babe, your food is ready. Babe, I'm talking to you. Your food is ready.
Kelly, what says the time? Is that the time you're supposed to cook that food?
Babe, please don't start. Your food is ready.
Get out of this place if you don't want to start! Get out! Don't provoke me, don't provoke me!
My love, what have I done to you? How have I offended you? If I've done anything you don't like, I'm sorry. Because I'm tired. I'm tired of all this. Please, just forgive me. Your food is ready. Just come to the dining and eat, please.
Kelly, just get out. I'll strangle you. Get out of this place.
Robert, please, I'm tired of this.
Get out of this!
What kind of man these days? He got no respect for a lady. I'm asking, what kind of man these days? He got no regard for a woman.
What's wrong?
Is it not your brother? He almost beat me up again.
Not again. Not again.
He said I did not prepare his food on time, that I should get out.
Just wait, hold on.
Eh? Where are you going? What? What kind of thing is this? What kind of thing is this? Morning beating, afternoon beating, night beating. What kind of thing is this now?
No. Why are you acting like this toward this girl? What has she done again?
Ebon, is that what you came here to ask me?
Your ill attitude towards her is becoming so unbearable.
Unbearable more with you. Onyala, please get out of this room. And to be left alone.
Okay. I will leave. But know that Kelly loves you. Kelly loves you. This girl did nothing to you. Kelly did nothing to you.
She really loved you. Get out of this place.
It's okay.
Advise her. marriage counselor, chief advisor. You won't mind their business. Just.
Mama, I apologize for the disturbance.
I'm not complaining.
Mama, do you remember we talked about something important on the phone?
Remind me.
Okay, since you have forgotten, I'll remind you. Mama, I pleaded with you to stay back. I begged you to stay back at home for my wife's mother to visit for the Omugo.
Of course.
Why did you come?
Of course, you're very correct. I should stay back so that she comes first. Okay? For the child that I've been waiting for the past 11 years.
Mama, it doesn't matter if you have waited 20 years. What matters is we have given you a grandchild. Doesn't that make sense to you?
I said that you love your mother and your mother. Yes. Don't worry. I'll wait for this Omugo that I came. This babysitting. After this time, Bana, you will never see me in your house again.
Mama, stop twisting words. Stop getting the entire situation twisted.
Bana, I have twisted it already on my mind. And there's nothing you can do about it. After this time, you will never see my leg in your house again. Don't worry.
Mama.
Papa.
Traditionally speaking, it is only appropriate for my wife's mother to get here before you.
Traditionalist. Now that I'm here, tell her to stay back since you cannot take care of us. You know? I'm going to sleep. Don't make the mistake of calling me back again, Baba. You know, I will squeeze you. You're not ashamed of yourself. You're not ashamed of yourself. Don't call me out here to come and ask me silly questions. I told you. You're not.
The attitude your mother displayed upon her arrival made me realize she's not here for peace.
Babe, honestly, I don't think my mother is up to anything. I'm just upset with her because she obviously outsmarted your mother.
Exactly. That is the right word. Outsmarted. The moment I saw your mother in our house, I called my own mom. And she said that she had no idea that your mother was coming to us. My mother said she sent Nkiru to your house and it was Ndidi Amaka who told her your mother already left. Imagine how pained my mother was and still is.
Babe, you need to calm down, alright? On the contrary, I feel like I should call your mother and ask her not to come since my mother is here already.
Why will you do that?
Since my mother is here already.
I need my mother for the Omugo. And if she does not come, I will take Junior to her in the village and we'll have the Omugo there.
Babe, what do you mean by that? It hasn't come to that.
Baby, it has come to that. Your mother says she's here for Omugo, but I am not feeling the impact of her presence. And I just had a baby. She's supposed to relieve me of certain duties, like carrying the baby. She barely carried the baby for 3 minutes. Like giving the baby a bath. It's still me who gave the baby a bath with all the pains I'm still feeling. I just had a baby. I need a mother figure to stand in the gap so I can rest. And that mother figure is my mother.
Babe, I understand.
Who, by the way, will come tomorrow. If she does not come tomorrow, like I said earlier, I will take my son to her. When we're done with the Omugo, we'll come back.
Babe, is that how you
Good
want
night, baby.
Babe, I feel like this. Babe, is this how you want to handle this entire situation? Can we at least sort this out like two adults?
When confusion
Babe.
comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing
Can we sort this entire situation out like 2 adults, please? 2 grown adults.
Why all these things now? And why all this
I'm dead not. This guy is a funny guy. I don't understand. This is very dark man. Linda. Kelly. Kelly, are you out of your senses? What's wrong with you? Stop that.
My love, you are my husband. If you don't touch me, how am I supposed to get pregnant? Please.
Come, don't tell me that. What's wrong with you? We've been married for 7 years and there's no sign of pregnancy. And you're telling me about children. What difference does it make? I've done all kinds of lovemaking to you and you cannot get pregnant. It is obvious. You're barren. You're barren.
No, I'm not barren.
Respect yourself.
I'm not. God's time is the best. It is God that gives children, so let's just keep trying. Please, I beg you.
Kelly, you are irritating me. I will not do now, you are irritating me. The church goes to it's like you like toxic relationship.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Hey.
Yes.
How is Papa, Mama?
He's fine.
And you?
All of them are fine. Keke, take your money. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How come you left without telling me?
We are not ready then.
I sent my daughter to your house and she came back and told me that you have already gone. I was mad at myself.
I'm sorry.
Please, you would have
It
told
was
me.
the happiness. You know, now I see that's how you did to. I'm sorry, oh.
It's okay. I hope you came very safely.
Safe. And you too.
Very fine.
And you brought something as you're
And
coming.
sweet.
Oh,
yes.
I've not even seen them.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes. I brought one.
Go. Carry. Let's go. I bet you want to carry the plantain. No problem. Let me carry this one. Hey! Oh, my. Hey! You're welcome. You're welcome.
What is his name?
Oh, his name is Brian Jr. Yes.
Philomena, your father said his name is Chukwu Kadibia.
Oh.
Here. Hold on, why? Man, what is Chukwu Kadibia? This child is supposed to be named by his own grandfather, that is my husband. Not your husband, he's still alive, he's not dead. So why should your husband name him Shuku Galibia? We won't accept that name.
Well, my husband and I are the child's parents and we are the ones to name him, and we just have. His name is Brian.
Philomena, this is tradition. It has nothing to do whether you like it or not. The grandfather of this child, who is my husband, and who also is his father's father, will name the child. Not from the other side. It's not acceptable.
Please, you need to stop. Alright, stop with the confusion of who names the child. My father has the right to name his grandchild. My father-in-law also has the right to name his grandchild.
Bana, I have said what I said. Your father will name this child since he is your first son. Yes.
But Mama, you never mentioned anything about naming the baby until now that my mother arrived.
Because I'm not supposed to. Yes. I'm not supposed to say it, and I'm also not supposed to do it. That is why I did not say anything. So this child will be named by his grandfather, who is my husband. Even if it takes him 20 years to get back to the village, when he travels back to the village, he will name him. That's how it is.
Honestly, don't look at it. That's good.
Yes, what she said is true. Every trust issue, you can't find it.
But Mama, will it affect the child in any way if someone else names him or her?
I don't think so.
Parrot. You have started. Say Papa. I say leave. Leave! Elders are talking and you're putting your mouth, you're singing. Tap. Say Papa.
Mama.
I said she should leave. What is it, Mama? She should go. You're asking me questions. Elders are talking and she's asking questions. Is that how you brought her up?
Yes, it's a buffet. I give you anyway. Yes,
Rita,
Mama,
what are you doing?
I want to prepare for her. I hope you like it.
Yes, singing. Who will like what? Yeah? Kanjoke. How many types of soup did you tell your mother were in the fridge when she came yesterday?
About 4.
Good. 4. 4! And now you are prepared. Yeah? Do you know what this country is talking about now? I want to ask you, do you know how much $1 is? Of course you will not know. Look at your head. It's shiny. You have big eyes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Mama, my sister asked me to prepare it.
Go and call your sister. Fly. Quick, quick! You are looking at me. Go and call her for me. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this one 5. Before you know, you add another one. Add another one. It becomes 7. You don't even know what this country is talking about right now. Hey! I'm waiting for you people. Check. What is all this? Look at that. Inside one house. I'm waiting for you people.
What is it? Mama, Carol said I should call you.
What happened now? She asked me who told me to prepare ofora. And I told her it's you. So she said I should come and call you.
Where is she?
She's in the kitchen.
Go. I'm coming behind you.
You called me?
Yes, I called you. I came into this kitchen and I met her cooking and asked her who told her to do that. She said it's you. That is why I called you.
Yes, I asked her to make
Oha soup.
Oha soup for me.
Yes.
That's what I want to eat.
What happens to those ones, those different types of soups in the freezer? What happens to them? Yes! You have 4 different types of soups in the freezer and you're asking her to cook another one. What does that mean? You see how you lavish my son's money? Do you know what the dollar is talking about now in this country? Do you know what it is?
This is my house. I have a right to eat whatever I want to eat.
Of course! That is why I'm asking you if you know what the dollar is right now.
Philomena, what is it? Mama, I don't really know what my mother-in-law wants from me. I asked Rita to prepare Oha soup for me. And she's opposing.
Yes, of course. I did. Because they have 4 different types of soup in the freezer. And yet they want to prepare another one. Why?
Rita, what about the soups you told me you people have in the freezer yesterday?
They are in the freezer, Mama.
And you want to prepare another one? People have about 4 types of soup in the freezer. You want to prepare another one? But now we do not to azun.
Really? Yes, really?
My in-law, it's okay. I mean, you know they are kids. It's okay.
Baby. Is everything alright? Are you okay?
Is everything okay with me? Don't I look okay to you?
Well, you heard voices from the kitchen, yet you totally ignored us.
I beg your pardon, was I supposed to be there?
Yaha, you were supposed to come in defense of your wife.
Were you quarreling with my mother?
Yes, indeed. I was quarreling with your mother.
I don't think so. Because I heard or I overheard your mother talking to you. She said she didn't raise you that way. So I'm wondering, what did you do to your mother that made her say that to you?
You really want to know?
Yeah.
Follow me to the bedroom and I'll tell you.
I should follow you to the bedroom?
Yeah.
You know what? I think you should be bold enough to tell me what you want. Tell me
I
what.
don't want anything. Just follow me to the room.
You know what? I know what you want.
What do I want?
Don't worry. When I come back, we'll talk about it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? Give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. It should be a thing of joy, and not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy, and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do you over time. I will give me kind of son. Hey, give me kind of son. Yeah. When temptation comes, it looks like it's the end of the world. When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? Give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy.
Hey, good morning.
How was your night?
Very well. How was your night?
It was okay. Where's your brother?
My brother, he has gone out.
Gone out?
Yeah.
Without telling me?
Maybe he didn't want to disturb you by waking you up.
My husband didn't want to disturb me. Ben, can you just listen to yourself?
Kitty, what else would you want me to say?
Did he take his breakfast?
I don't think he ate anything. He left very early this morning, so...
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? Give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of joy. Oh, give me kind of something fair. It should be a thing of joy, and not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy, and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do you over time. I will give me kind of joy. Hey, give me kind of joy. Yeah.
Let me go and tell her.
When temptation comes, it looks like it's the end of the world. confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion?
Hi, Kelly.
What's wrong? You don't look good to me. What happened? Don't tell me. He beat you again?
No. He didn't beat me. But I would have preferred if he had beaten me. What he did to me was far worse.
What? Oh, what has he done this time? Don't tell me. He brought another woman into the house?
No.
Oh my God.
Phil, can you believe that my husband woke up this morning and left the house without telling me good morning, how was your night, did you sleep well? Nothing. He just left.
Why? You people didn't sleep on the same bed?
We did.
It's okay. Don't let this get you worked up. Okay? I have a firm belief that soon enough, Robert will come back to his senses.
Do you know the worst part? He said I should stop driving our car. Can you believe that?
The car your uncle bought on your wedding day?
Yes. Robert told me to stop driving that car, but I don't blame him. I blame death. If my uncle was still alive, would Robert treat me this way?
No, he wouldn't dare. But it's okay. Calm down. Everything will be alright.
Phil, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I'm getting tired of the supposed marriage. I'm getting really tired.
Don't say that. It'll get better.
I pray so. I pray so.
Hey. I am waiting for his mother to come and breastfeed him.
Okay. Hey, let me carry him.
Okay.
Hey, look at him. Ogomai.
Ogomai.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead. What is it?
Are you in support of the way the mothers of these days train their children?
How do you mean?
I know you don't know. Do you know that this baby has not been taking water?
It's a lie. Do you mean he has not been taking water since he was born?
Of course.
Let me ask. Philomena. Mama. Is it true that this boy has not drank any water since he was born?
Oh yes.
He has not. And that is because I am doing what they call 6 months exclusive breastfeeding. Meaning that the only food he will survive for the next 6 months with is my breast milk.
What? Why are you suffering him? When I gave birth to you, did I suffer you like this? Did I do exclusive? Suffer.
Please, Mama, don't even start now. Times have changed. Your time and our time are totally different times. Let me tell you too the benefits of doing exclusive breastfeeding. Not only does it boost the baby's immune system, it also makes the baby stronger and healthier. It protects the child from any kind of nyama disease, be it airborne disease, waterborne disease, any kind. It's not for the baby because breast milk is supplying all that he needs now.
Wait. Oh! Is your husband aware of it?
Is that a question?
Of course, yes.
Yes! He's aware, he knows.
No. I will not take that. No! How can you suffer my grandchild like this?
I'm not suffering him. He will not drink water till he's 6 months old. Please, nobody should give him water.
This dry season? No! I will not take that. My in-law, let me go and bring water.
Okay. Bring water. Water. Go for this baby.
Please, let me have it.
Philomena.
Ma'am.
Philomena. Hey, hey! New system.
Where is she?
Fiam, upstairs. She took the baby away.
Okay, this baby will take water.
Let's go together. We will know.
What kind of?
If they get birth before us, or we get birth before them, we will get birth again. How can you keep a child without water? Mba. Aso. Stop this madness! Ramos, stop! Stop now! Stop this kid! No, can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? Are you stupid? Stop this madness! What's going on? Give me that car key! Give it to me, Kedi. What is going on?
He said I should give him the car key. That I should stop driving the car. I told him that I would never give him the car key because the car belongs to both of us. Then he started dragging the car key with me.
What is going on? Why will you stop her from driving the car you both got as a gift? Why would you come up with such idea, bro?
That's his business.
No! Give it to me.
I will never give you this car key. Moreover, it was my uncle that bought this car for us.
Huh?
No,
No!
Stop! I know I told you! Can you stop? Can you stop? Don't tell me that! Don't tell me to stop! You are the one giving this girl egg in this house! And let me remind you, this is family business. Don't intervene in anything that has to do with my wife and I. Marriage is for 2, not 3.
Bro, you got it wrong. I am also part of this family.
I can never see Kelly doing something wrong and I will take side. Neither will I come out and see you people fighting and I will close my eyes as if I didn't see anything. It's not possible. Listen to me. Emunti. Anything that has to do with this car, this issue, stay away from it. Exempt yourself from it. Because you will not like what I will do to you.
You will not do me anything. I am trying to bring peace in your home. I am trying to bring sanity in your home. Do you understand? I am not taking any side. Bro, what's wrong with you now? Sit down, let's talk. Please sit down, let's talk. Bro, please tell me, why do you have to stop her from driving that car? I want to know.
Can't you see it? Can't you see it? Isn't it obvious? That car
is misleading her. That car makes her to make so many female friends. That car attracts boys. All those boys that are into sugar mommy. Can't you see the way my wife has just suddenly changed? Can't you even see her dressing? Bro, can you just hear yourself? Did you hear yourself talking? So you mean that all this nonsense you just said is the reason you have to stop her from driving the car? Nonsense. Listen to me. That is not nonsense. I'm a man. My wife has totally changed. In fact, that car is everything to her. She's into that car. As a matter of fact, she does not even allow me to drive that car. What is left for her is just to sleep inside that car. What is wrong? Or is it because her uncle is the one that gave us that car? It's a wedding gift for both of us. Am I not the man of this house? Bro, you are the head of this family. And you should know how to settle some critical issues amicably. Huh? You don't understand. As she's into that car, every time she's in, what remains for her is just to sleep inside that car. And I'm the man of this house. I'm supposed to take complete inventory of that car, sir. Like I said, I will talk to her. Calm down. Better do. Talk some senses into her. Because I'm not going to hesitate but to beat her black and blue.
For a woman, he's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of
Just imagine. His reasons are not that important. But if I may ask, why did you stop him from driving the car?
I did not stop him from driving the car. I'm afraid he will sell the car if he gains access to it.
He will not sell it. He will not sell it.
He will. He told me that himself.
Wait. You mean he said that to your face?
Yes, he did. You can ask him if he will not deny it.
Don't worry, I will talk to him, okay? Don't worry. I'll talk to him. Can I have the car key now?
Yeah. No. No. I don't want him to sell the car. He will sell this car.
Not sell the car. Just give me the car key, please.
Sell this car. Make sure he doesn't sell the car.
I don't understand these women. Look at how intimately they are seated, drinking and making merry and conversing.
Hey. Go ahead. Oh, that is sweet.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? It should be a thing of joy and not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy and not something to
Agam, I'm even trying to go to your room. What are you holding?
It's shawarma.
I'm
going to walk about it.
Ezoko.
I'm going to walk.
Hey! I'm going to walk.
Take one.
I don't know how to eat this kind.
Why?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
It's nice.
I know it's nice. You can go ahead.
What, you can test it?
No, don't worry. I don't know how to eat it.
Okay.
I don't like it.
I like it.
Can you imagine? In my own son's house, my son came back with something special. She's now giving it to me on my palm. She's the one that is sharing it and giving it to me on my palm. Okay, we shall see. Is this sweet?
You are missing. Very
really?
Sweet. You are missing a
Go ahead.
Try it.
No, don't worry. I don't like all this kind of Igbo food. They are not.
How dare you try to work out for me? Are you stupid? What is wrong with you? Who was that you were talking to on the phone? I said, who were you talking to on the phone?
It's none of your business.
No, but get back here. What's wrong with you? Are you stupid? How dare you? How dare you?
What are you insinuating?
You should know better than I do.
I called my son-in-law that I want to eat shawarma, and he bought it when he was coming back.
Of course I would have eaten it without bringing it to you. Why are you doing as if there is something attached to it?
Pastor Nyuri, you are preaching. I asked my son-in-law to buy me shawarma and he bought shawarma. You are tapping your hands. Okay? If you were in my shoes, how will you feel? I'm asking you, how will you feel? You're asking me if something is attached to it.
I wouldn't have felt the way you feel, the way you are feeling right now. Because it is only someone with bad heart, someone with evil heart that believes that way.
Is it?
Yes.
Gold digger.
Leave me alone. Let me talk to this woman. You call me a gold digger? Leave me. You call me a gold digger?
Yes, you are a gold digger.
I am not a gold digger. Rather, you are the gold digger here. What are you doing here? Carol, you are something else. What is wrong with you? Why are you behaving like this?
You're asking me questions. Okay? You're asking me questions as my mother or as who? As my teacher. You're looking at me after eating shawarma. You're opening your eyes. You're stretching your hand. You must be very careful.
Oh, Carol, you are unbelievable. What is wrong with you?
The same thing that is wrong with you.
You are selfish.
The same thing that is wrong with you.
What is it?
Today was crazy. So, the contractors I told you about, they're trying to blow my mind. So they're asking for more money, and I don't have more money to give them. Besides, they haven't finished the other project. So I said, okay, why not finish the other one so I can, have some time to raise some money, and, they said no, that I have to give them money for this one. And what do you think?
Finish the former project?
I just said they haven't.
Wouldn't it be better if we finish that one before embarking on another
That's
one?
my point exactly.
Just so they don't multitask.
But they're asking me to give them some more money, and they said they're professionals, I shouldn't teach them their jobs. Then I don't know, I'm confused. So if I give them the money I have now, there's no shopping for you. But seriously, what do you think? I should give them? So, but if I give them the money I have now, so that means...
You have everything. What is it?
Sister, I'm sorry, but Mama and Mama Kara are quarreling.
What? What happened?
Where are they?
They are downstairs.
What happened?
Stop, please hold.
Hey.
Don't shut that in! You are selfish! Don't shut that down!
That is selfish!
Don't selfish! Speak of what I'm
selfish!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Hey, be quiet!
Shut your mouth! Shut it up!
What's the matter? Leave me alone. Oh, give me.
What's going on here?
You're a gold digger!
I beg your pardon.
You are the gold digger here.
What are you doing here?
Let me ask you, what are you doing here?
So watch you closely because I know you can sting. You can pick.
If your son didn't come and marry my daughter, you wouldn't have seen my leg here.
Go back to your husband's house.
Mama,
go back.
Mama, what the hell is wrong with
What
you?
actually happened? You know when I called your husband to buy me a wrap of shawarma, he bought it when he was coming back. I foolishly took it to this woman for us to eat it together, and she told me that she doesn't like it. I never knew that she's not happy that her son bought me shawarma. That is it.
Oh no, thief! That's what you are.
Mama, can you stop right now?
Shut up! 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 Shut it up there! Shut it up there! Can close it. What is it? Your wife is pressing you ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. The mother has come. She's doing the same thing, and you are calling me mama. What are you marrying? I'm asking you. What are you marrying? Are you? Hey, you will leave this house. Hey, if you change that again, I will rush you.
Leave me. Leave me. I want to talk to this. I want to talk to this stupid.
Yes,
I want to talk to you.
You see?
I want to talk to. Leave me alone.
You see what? You want to talk to who?
Hey, stop that. Mama, it's okay.
Uncle, leave me alone.
It's alright.
Leave me. Mama, come on now. Leave me. This is too much. I don't know what is wrong with my husband. You are an idiot. What is wrong with you? Selfish woman.
You are looking at me. You are dancing, you are stressing, you are looking at me. You want to blow me?
Come on.
No, I'm asking you. You are looking at me. You see the things you brought into your house? Your mother-in-law is not calling me an idiot, and you are looking at me. You are shaking your leg. You are bouncing. You are bouncing.
Mama, can we be civil here?
Will you shut up? Shut up! Shut it up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Just close your mouth. Shut it up! Nonsense. You are bouncing. You want to beat me? No, I'm asking you. Do you want to beat me?
Mama, my mother-in-law said she wanted shawarma wraps and I got them for her.
Of course. Yes. Barnabas. You see this babysitting thing or mugo that I came to do? I have seen so many things and I've also learned so many things. I thank God for it. The day I came into your house, you welcomed me with a squeezed face, as if you don't want to see me. But when your mother-in-law came, you welcomed her with a bottle of an expensive wine. Food was ordered for her immediately. But in my own case, I asked for food as if I'm begging to eat in my son's house. Now you went out and you brought shawarma straight. She is not the one that knows how to eat shawarma. And me, I am specialized in eating akpawama. Okay?
Mama, listen, please, it's okay, alright? It's all my fault. I take the entire blame. I'll go out there and get wraps of shawarma for you. If that's going to make you happy, please.
I'm no longer interested. I just want to let you know that in 2 weeks from now, Ananam, because I think I am no longer wanted or welcomed in your own house.
Mama, how can you say that? Mama, how can you say a thing like this? Huh? You know your presence in my house is highly recognized. We need you. We love you. I accept this entire blame. It's my fault. Please.
Barnabas, I have told you 2 weeks from now, Anana.
tired, man. I'm tired.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life.
You know what?
It should be a thing of joy. Something that will make everybody to be happy. But why?
No. You are not going anywhere. Instead, she'll be the one to leave.
No. I will go. I will no longer stay with her here. That woman has a bad heart, and I've not noticed it in her heart.
She does have quite a heart. The kind of heart that can poison somebody.
That is exactly what I am saying. Caroline can poison me here. Yes.
Over what? Shawama. Maka shawama. What did you? What did you even know what people say when they hear that my mother and my mother-in-law are quarreling? Magaginism, shawama. Shawama! Nothing again. You see that woman? She has no shame. The woman that I was planning to come here with, she suddenly changed her mind. Without telling me, without a call, without even sending her daughter to come and inform me, she just left. She's very wicked. Well, I will let her know that her son has made his own home with his wife. This is my home. My dear, you want to understand. That woman you see there is very wicked. I have to go. Ndị will say, you will really to be mochi, makachiji, omanari.
Carol, open the door for me. She's not responding. Mama Carol! Caroline! Carol! 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 Carol? What's going on? Okay, I've been knocking for your mother since. No response.
No response?
Yes.
Is she okay?
I don't know. Caroline!
Mama, open up. Mama?
Is she okay?
Mama, it's me, Bana. Mama? Are you sure she's not sleeping? Mama, open up!
Bana, what is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you people disturbing my sleep?
Mama, are you serious? You've been hearing me knock? Kelly, don't worry, you're gonna be fine, okay? We'll soon go home.
Who is that?
Your husband.
Oh, why don't you pick the call and tell him where we are? I'm sure by now he will be regretting.
Kelly? Really? This kind of stupid love you are showing my brother is the reason he's treating you like a piece of rag. So if I'm not here, you will pick this call.
I'm sorry, Ben. I still love him. He's my husband.
See, I don't want to hear that from your mouth again. If you say that again, I will leave you here and I mean it.
No, please don't leave. I'm sorry.
You stop. I'm sorry. Okay.
Nurse.
Yes, sir.
Please, where's Nurse Joy?
Sir, she went to attend to a patient in the team.
When she comes, tell her that I want to see her in my office.
Alright, sir. Oh, Nurse Joy, the medical director asked to see you. No? Yes, please.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
It's wonder your face is like this. I hope all is well.
Papa, I had a dream.
Dream?
And I'm confused about it.
What about the dream?
I was there. My mother was there.
Okay.
Philomena and her husband was there too. And we were all crying.
Where were you people?
I can't vividly remember where we were. But, Papa, is it a bad dream?
It's not a bad dream. According to the scripture that says, weeping may endure for the night, but joy cometh in the morning. So there's nothing to worry about.
Amen.
Have you called your mom?
I've not called her, but I will.
And I hope you prayed over it.
Yes, Papa, I prayed over it.
Don't worry, nothing will happen to anybody, okay? Go back here. Let me continue what I'm doing.
Strong, you're packing.
You want to come and join me? I'm almost done, don't worry. I'll soon come. Is my food ready? Okay.
Why are these things now? And why all this confusion? Give me kind of it should be a thing of joy.
Where is that?
And not some sort of confusion.
Where is that food? Where are you coming back from? Huh? Where did you take my wife to? Am I not talking to you? Where did you take my wife to? Huh? Robert. What is wrong with you?
Robert, I will forget that I am your younger brother and as well living in your house. If your hand touches me again, I swear you will not like the outcome. Do you even have a wife? Do you? If not that I came back to this house yesterday, do you know what would have happened to her? Do you? Don't touch me again.
Oh, good. So you later joined court? So you joined court in the school, you came back home to threaten me?
Boss.
Eh? Boss! What's wrong with you?
What is the worry? You don't care enough for you. I'm competing for you. What do you do? Who be you? Who call you? I come up. You don't feel you know my body is there. You know my body is there. I'm the phone for.
So you just say listen. Benny join court. Benny join court. Get out of this. It's okay. Come. So you join court. Get it. Go inside. Bell. No. Let me teach you a lesson. Are you mad? Get out. Get out. It's okay, I will leave. Don't play what? Get out. Are you stupid? Get out of the house. Get out. I don't want to see you around this place. If I see you 100 yards within this vicinity, I will get you arrested. Onyala, get out! Nonsense.
If he leaves, I will leave.
As what? As Titanic or as what? If he leaves, you leave. I follow him now. The truth is gradually coming out. Follow him!
What truth are you talking about?
You already know the truth. He has been the one marrying you all this while. You both can go out there and get married properly.
I am going to leave your house. But I promise you, you will regret it. I will leave.
Which sermon is that? Which sermon is that?
Let me go with you, please.
You can't go with me.
I can't stay here. You can't. He will kill me. Let me just go with you, please.
They say marriage is for better for worse. But not anymore. If you're no more comfortable in this marriage, then quit. Call it a quit, my dear. Because nobody will be there to tell exactly what happened when you are there no more.
Call it a quit.
That's what I'm saying. Let me live with you. Let me go and pack my bag.
Oh, you okay? You're okay. Okay, you have to go and pack your bag. You are preaching for her. Preacher. So you know marriage is for better for worse, and marriage is for two. And you are here putting your mouth in our marriage. Huh? I warned you several times never to interfere in my marriage. Oyala, look at you, poor man. Follow him. What are you still doing here? You have to follow him. If you are going, go so that I'll lock the door. You are not going.
I don't want to.
He got no regard
for
a woman.
Follow him.
He's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve a decent woman. What sort of man is this? It's a beast and a monster all in one. It's the monster. Yeah. It's a beast and a monster put together. It's a beast and a monster all in one. That's what the eggs. It's a beast and a monster put together.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What kind of man? That's what I'm asking. What kind of man? What kind of man these days? Got no respect for a lady. I'm asking what kind of man these days? Got no regard for a woman.
Let me ask you. Let me have the baby, let me feed him. See,
I'm going to prepare his food myself.
But I've gone to the kitchen to prepare his food, so let me have the baby and feed him.
Don't worry, I will feed him.
Ifunanya, let me have the baby, I want to feed him.
No.
Ifunanya, give me the baby, I want to feed him.
I said no.
You are such a wicked soul. You fought and threw your brother out of the house simply because he saved my life yesterday. If he did not take me to the hospital, I would have died because of your severe beating and punches. The only way for you to tell your brother thank you was to fight and throw him out of the house. Robert, my God will judge you. My God will judge you. But not to worry. One day, I will be fine. Just one day, I will be fine.
Where's the car key?
The car key?
Yes.
It's on the wardrobe.
Wardrobe, okay.
Yes. What is the problem?
It's Phil.
Phil?
Yes. Phil's sister just called me now and said Junior fell from the mother's hand.
What?
Yes, as I speak to you now, Phil is unconscious. So I'm going there. Please.
Where? Wait. Wait for me. Let me join you.
What happened? What were you saying on the phone? What happened? Where's my wife?
In the theater.
What? What happened? Why is everyone crying? What happened?
Junior fell down from their heads. And when sister got to the scene, she collapsed.
Who fell?
Junior fell down.
Fell from where?
From their heads.
What?
I wanted to feed. I wanted to give him food. I wanted to give him food, Junior.
Rita, what happened? Barnabas, what happened? Rita, I'm talking to you, what happened?
Junior fell off and my sister fainted.
Jesus Christ!
Calm down.
Stop crying. Everything is under control. Stop crying. It's okay. Who is your husband?
I am.
Come with me.
They were dragging him and he fell down. Who? Mama Carol.
Any injury?
Yes.
Hey!
Hey, my child! My child that I wanted to feed, I wanted to give food.
Hello, Rita, what is it? Why are you sounding like that? Rita, please, what happened? Okay. What happened to Junior? Junior fell down from our mother's hand. Hey! Junior is dead. Junior is dead. Papa! The worst has happened, Papa.
What is it?
The worst has happened. Junior is dead.
Which Junior?
Your grandchild is dead, Papa.
For where? How?
Rita just called me. She said Junior fell down from our mother's hand, Papa.
Hey! Amadio, how?
Hey!
Can't tell but putting ten on.
Baby, why? Why now? Why?
Hey!
Oh. We don't deserve to lose you, Junior. After many years. Oh, Papa.
Hey!
Hey, what's that happened? Hey. Hey.
Mazi Boniface, what am I hearing?
What you heard is that Junior is dead.
Dead? Right!
Ifugonian. Ifugoya. You have seen it.
After 11 years.
Right!
Officer, push them inside.
Hello? What? That is not possible. Why would Brother Barnabas do that to our mother? He can arrest his mother, but definitely not her mother. Tell him to release Mama before I get to the city tomorrow. Tell him to release Mama. Nonsense. What rubbish? Can you imagine? Papa, can you imagine the nonsense?
Which nonsense?
Papa, my mother has been arrested in the city.
Who arrested your mother?
Him! Brother Barnabas arrested his mother and our mother. Papa, you have to call him now. Call him to release Mama. Because if I get there tomorrow, it will not be nice. Oh. Call him now, Biko.
Barnabas?
Yes, Papa.
Why must Barnabas go to that extent? Why?
Papa, I don't know. By tomorrow, I will be in the city. And if Mama has not been released, the story will not come out well. So you better call him now.
Okay. Just calm. I will definitely place call on him. I will call him before night falls.
Papa, why are you keeping it till that time? Why not now? What happened? I have item on my phone. Why not call him, Papa? Papa, take this phone and call him. Because if I get to the city tomorrow, the news will not come out well. Big Konu.
But see, I have told you, take it easy. Just calm. No, whatever that has fallen into the stream, use your feet to search for it. Not your hand, not your eyes. Never mind. I will definitely call him. I will call him.
Papa, if Mama has not been released and I get to the city tomorrow, what Nkiru will do, nobody will like it though. I'm telling you now, Papa. No problem.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody
led to this?
happy. But why are these things now?
What happened wasn't really good. But that shouldn't be the reason Bana will arrest his own mother and his mother-in-law.
Papa, Brother Bana, Odaliada. Go. He failed woefully. How can he arrest his own mother?
Nah. But we also call him again, listen.
Hey, it's ringing, Papa.
Hey. Okay.
Papa, he's not picking me.
Why is he not picking his call?
Papa.
My daughter.
He knows what he did was wrong. And that's why he's not taking our calls.
So Badra, my daughter, go and put water for me. Let me take my bath.
Do you want to go to the city?
No. Even if I have to go, certainly not today.
Papa, because I know that place is not comfortable for my mother.
I know. You're telling me the cancer. I want to take my bath, please.
Hold the phone in case he calls us. In case of...
Okay. Go with them mother day. Murun ogogo, murun nig, gitinanga. Hey, mbano. Kamba kwanyan.
Babe, we're back. Let's go. Babe, let's go inside. We just got back from the hospital. We need to go inside. Do you want something? Do you want anything? Are you hungry? Can I get you food to eat? What? Okay, there's nothing there. Listen to me. We need to go inside. Let's take her inside. Let's go. Babe, listen to me. Can I get something for you? Do you want anything?
Yes, do you want anything?
She needs to go inside. Let's take her inside. Babe, come. Come, let's go inside. When I get inside, I'll make something for you to eat, okay? I'll make food. I'll give you a lot of water to drink because I'm sure you're thirsty. Alright? Let's go. Come. Babe, let's go inside. Come here. Hold her.
It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. Why all these things now?
Let's take her inside. Let's go. Alright, babe. No, don't resist. Don't stop. Alright? Let's go inside. Let's go. Come here. This way. This way.
It's okay. Let's go inside. And not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil
Go. Sit. No. You're welcome.
Thank you, my in-law.
Sorry, I don't have cola for now.
My in-law, I'm not here for that. I am here because of what is going on. Our grandson's death, your daughter's sudden illness, and my son arresting his mother, my wife, alongside with your own wife. That's why I'm here.
Which is his own mother-in-law.
Which is his mother-in-law.
Okay. No.
Thank you.
According to you, you said you were here for 3 reasons.
Yes.
The death of our grandson.
Yes.
My daughter's sudden illness. And of course, your son arresting my wife and your wife.
Yes.
Good. No. Ogo, if I tell you I am not dumbfounded, I am a liar. I should be deceiving myself. Because I went into myself, searched myself in and out, only to discover that Satan the devil actually came tempting us.
He came late, as a matter of fact, and he will not get us.
No, he will not.
No.
It will not. I will refer to Satan as he.
No.
Satan will never get us. It will get us.
You see?
Can you imagine? Satan will never succeed.
At all.
Hi. Oh, but even at that, after blaming the thief, you blame the loneliness that permitted the thief to steal. I am sure you are not here to pick words with me. Can you listen to me?
I'm listening.
Your son went too far. Ogo, okay. He went too far. He made a great mistake. Whatever. Personally, I'm seeing it as negligence of duty. A serious, but carelessness of the highest order. Two mature women. However, dragging them to the station is not the best, of course. They actually made a mistake, but taking them to the police, locking them up, is not
the best.
Because if anything happens there, we have another thing.
Good.
Now listen to me. He arresting them, taking them to the station defies our tradition. Or maybe we will, yes. That defies our tradition.
But that is why I'm here, Ogo. Because I spoke with him. And he told me that he practically called the police and told them not to release them until his wife regained her senses.
You forget. I can choke or my own. The Quante, listen to me. Have you seen it? Don't you think he is crazy?
Hey!
He is a mad human being. He thinks crazy. Can you imagine? You see? Have you seen it? The truth is that I know I spoke with him but I spoke to him the way I felt. I expressed my bitterness. I spoke to him rudely, as a matter of fact. So he has been avoiding my calls. And before you walked in here, I called him severally. He did not pick.
Morgan, I think we'll be going to the city tomorrow. Or, what do you think?
No, it's okay. It is better. Better go to the city because if you don't go, he may not have the mind to release them.
Hey! Temptation.
Eh?
Hey!
Temptation. The moment if the decision comes to a man, a serious challenge, it will look as if the world has come to an end.
My grandson is the one.
Don't be so selfish. Your grandson or
our grandson.
Is he not my grandson?
Hey!
Hey, what he did was the best thing. Any other man in his position would have done the same thing. I mean, do you know how heartbroken he is to lose a son after 11 years? If he had lost this boy in an ordinary accident, the pain would have been easier for him to bear.
I know, but still, we shouldn't have arrested them. We're talking about his mother and his mother-in-law here.
We're talking about his son after 11 years. And now his wife's brain has been affected too. You expect him to fold his arms and congratulate his mother and his mother-in-law for carelessly killing his son?
This whole issue is controversial. But the point still remains that it's his mother and his mother-in-law we're talking about here.
Let them suffer for their atrocities. I mean, they don't deserve to be called mothers.
Obviously, this is a costly mistake.
And come to think of it, why would the both of them come for babysitting at the same time?
The man kicked against it, but you know women and their reasoning now.
Just imagine where their reasoning has landed on. It's terrible.
It's painful indeed.
It's terrible. It's terrible. You know what?
Five solid years. Five that you have been married to my son. I have not seen a miscarriage. Let me talk of full term. What is wrong? What is going on?
God's time is the best.
National anthem. God's time is the best. That is national anthem. Yes, everybody sings it. God's time is the best. If for 5 years God has not given you a child, Philomene, something is wrong with you.
Mama, there's nothing wrong with my wife. My wife and I are perfectly well.
Then what are you waiting for? I need a grandchild.
It's been confirmed medically that we're good.
Then give me a grandchild. That is all I asked for. Give me a grandchild.
Grandchildren will come when the time is right. God's time is the best.
Yeah. So you have not seen why you should have children. You have not seen it. A man like you, empty-handed in this your house, you have not seen why you should have a child. You are looking at me. Not even half. Even the one tickly, that maybe that one is not complete, is pen. I will still manage that one. I need a grandchild.
Mama, God's time is the best. You have to wait. Wait some more.
Hi! Chim, 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 chim. I have to wait. I have to wait. I don't even know if you understand the importance of children in a house. As a man, if you understand how important it is for you to get a child, you're asking me to wait. Okay? You're asking me to wait. Have I not waited enough?
Mama, what we need now are prayers, not pressure.
Not pressure. See how you said it very, very comfortably.
Mama, you have to be patient. Exercise more patience.
Exactly.
Please. Yes.
Patience has now become my second name. Philomene! The next time I will come back here, if you see my face, you will not like it. If you see the color of my face, you will not like it.
Mama, you should mind the way you talk to my wife.
Give me grandchildren. A grandchild, that is all I ask. If you give me a grandchild, I will leave the two of you to love yourselves. You are loving in the absence of grandchildren. Yeah! You are looking at me. If you give me grandchild, I will leave you to love. You don't look at me with empty eyes. You give me grandchild, I leave you to love. That is what I'm talking about. You are going away. Oh, you are taking her away. Thank God, to the room. So that by the time you come back, she's full. If not, the two of you, I will descend on you. If I come back here and meet you, you and your husband. Don't worry.
This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve a decent woman. What sort of man is this? It's a beast and a monster all in one. It's the monster. Yeah. Hey, it's a beast and a monster put together. Yeah. Hey, it's a beast and a monster all in one. That's what he is. Yeah, it's a beast and a monster put together. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. What kind of man is that? What kind of man is that? That's what I'm asking. What kind of man is that? What kind of man is that? What kind of man is this? He got no respect for a lady. I'm asking, what kind of man is this? He got no regard for a woman. He's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of